Hello everybody on Cars and Bids. This is Auction Dawg coming back and presenting to you our 2004 Maserati Cambiocorsa. This is a original example, and from what we can tell, it's had no paint work, no other issues, there's no reported accidents, 26,000 original miles, and it's actually in very good condition, minus a few flaws that we're going to highlight in this video. Exterior is very, very nice actually. It does have a lot of the original paint protection film on it, which some may remove, obviously, some may not. Excuse my voice, I am a little rasped today. Obviously the headlights have paint protection film on them as well, fronts too. This little piece is missing, this bolt cover. We've been trying to find one on eBay. We've been kind of unsuccessful with looking for one of those, but we're going to keep trying to locate one, and if we do find one before the end of the sale, we'll go ahead and update you guys. Other than that, the car does present quite well. Exterior, it's very, very nice. All the wheels are in pretty decent shape besides this one over here. It does have some flaking and a little curvage there, but nothing crazy. And the car does overall, show quite well. It really does. So in the interior of the car, everything is in actually very good condition, other than the pretty common issue of the sticky buttons that people have here. And we were having the same issues. There's a little bits of tape over the two window switches just so you don't kind of mess your fingers up there, but all of the buttons are sticky and they kind of need to be replaced. The AC vents also don't look very good, but it does run and drive completely flawlessly. Other than that, the interior really has no issues. Everything looks really good in here. Dash is clean. Headliner's quite nice. Seats are in great condition. And like I said, there is 26,550 miles originally on it. Back seats are also very nice. Armrest is quite nice. It's just a really clean car overall. Not very many issues, with it at all. Door panels are also very nice. It runs and drives flawlessly. It really does. And we're gonna we'll go take a quick little ride in it, so you guys have that to reference as well. But it's a really clean, honest car overall. Little issues with those right there. Cup holder. Everything in here is clean. Obviously your AC vent, there you go again. And the car does run and drive quite well actually. The tires do need to be replaced. They have an original 07 date code, I want to say. Yeah, bear with me. Yeah, see, and they're pretty dry rotted. There's a 2007 date code right down here, 4807. Brakes are good. Everything's good on the car, but like I said, it's a 26,000 original mile example, so it hasn't had a lot of maintenance as far as that, like new brakes, that kind of stuff. But oil changes have been regular. Car runs and drives, pulls really hard, feels really good on the road, minus it needing new tires. Front brakes are also in decent shape. Everything's good to go. No major oil leaks or problems, no major issues with it. And it's after the tires, let me go open the hood for you. After the tires, I would expect you to have a nice time enjoying this thing and running around town in it, because it is fun, honestly. So obviously there's the Ferrari made V8. Like I said, no major oil leaks or issues. Belts are good, everything's in good shape. It runs and drives, pulls great, it feels fantastic. And we're gonna go take a little ride in it together, and I just get a good look at that. But you can see it's a very clean car. It was well cared for its whole life. Obviously it's a Florida car since new. Correct? Florida car since new? Yeah. So, and this one spent a lot of time in a garage, as you can clearly see. Because as most of you know, black cars don't last very long in Florida. There's some more paint protection film on the window there, or on the rear mirror there. Black cars do not last very long in Florida, and that's why the interior is still in good shape. Besides the sticky buttons, And there is a couple companies that have remedies for that, or new buttons and stuff like that, and all that stuff you can be, I'm sure the next owner will take care of. Cool. So let's go take a ride in this thing right now. All right, go ahead. She sounds great. Purrs. Oh yeah, she's purring. Perfect. All right, this is the modern day dealer over here. He's we're just going ahead and present this car together, so he's gonna help me out and take a ride in it. Now we're into gear.
See, it'll show.
Radio works flawlessly and everything?
Yeah, radio works. Buttons are all still.
Yeah, I feel like it's got a clutch.
That's how it shifts.
That's cool.
But, or you shift it this way, right? With the paddles.
Huh. Perfect. All right, let's go do some pulls. Maybe up to 50 or something.
Yeah, whatever. I like it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she pulls strong.
Go back this way.
Oh, yeah.
Dawg feels like it's got a clutch. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Yeah. It feels really good.
Crazy how it does it.
Yeah, it feels stout.
It's awesome.
The day somebody pulled out the lot in this thing, I'm sure that was like...
Oh, it's probably super fun.
Yeah.
It's fun now.
Yeah, it is.
I like it. Isn't that crazy how it does that?
Yeah.
It acts just like your driver.
Yeah, like a manual, like a clutchless manual almost.
But when it's floored, it shifts super fast.
Oh, I'm sure it shifts quick. Hams in. That's cool. Perfect.
It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
It's different.
So, everybody on Cars and Bids, this 2004 Maserati, like I showed you, runs and drives great. If you guys have any further questions, go ahead and reach out to me in the private messages or drop a comment on the listing below. And I respond to everything within the hour. Or really, we try to be as responsive as we can for all you guys and just try to be, you know, as open and honest. We bought this car. We are dealers, obviously, but we're presenting this car as we bought it with a package deal with multiple other cars, including the C46 M3 over here. And we were just trying to, this car wasn't particularly going to stay with us for a while. That one is for a little bit. But sometimes you got to bite the bullet and buy a bunch of different stuff in order to make it happen. So it being a low mile example like this, it's a really honest car, runs and drives great. And yeah, it's been great. It's been great to have it in this stable while we've had it. So thank you guys very much for spending time watching the video. And hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.